What's up, YouTube? I'm going to do an unboxing of a $20, actually 20.99 box of card detailing brushes and things like that that you've seen on eBay, Amazon, wherever. These are definitely the non-premiums, as you can tell by the Chinese lettering down here at the bottom, that these guys, hopefully the quality is not as poor as I am concerned it may be, which is the whole reason I'm doing the unboxing. So we've got a microfiber towel with an edge. That is a 12 by 12, and it is okay. It's a microfiber towel. Nothing fancy. And then the long detailing brush. And this I actually want to open. This is the one that I want to see if it is bad enough that it might actually damage your rims or not. Oh, it's got a terrible smell. It smells super chemical. Oh, it's actually not as bad as I thought. It is basically, you know what this is? This is a toilet bowl cleaner with different coloring and just a different layout. I'm gonna say it's actually okay. It's okay. It's not gonna be insanely good, but it is okay. Which kind of gives me a sense of what the rest of this is gonna be. This is the 8-piece kit. So I've got 5 detailing brushes, the larger wheel brush to get in behind everything. And these are all various sizes. And then I came with the microfiber towel. And, oh yeah, a wheel brush. So I'm getting a better wheel brush, or a softer one. So this one I was thinking was going to be more for the actual tire, to be able to get the old tire dressings and things off. So just because of shipping and the way it came, there is some, goofy indentations. I'm assuming those will all come out as soon as I start using the brush. But that's actually not bad. That's a pretty decent brush. It's not, it is loosely cut here. It isn't like they're tapered edges or anything like that. Nothing like you might find on a nicer brush. It's certainly not horsehair. This is some type of a nylon fiber would be my assumption. But it's got a lot of bristles. Like, it's not, I think this would do the job. And it's a hard plastic, but it is texturized as well. There, that kind of, you can see that there. So honestly, that's not too bad, guys, for 20 bucks. Go ahead and get into this. I'll just look at one of these just so you guys get a sense of what we're dealing with. I will also link a description to what this is and where I got it off of Amazon. That is not bad. This is actually quite pliable. Dude, this is gonna work. That is not bad. Like, I would not hesitate to take this to my rims. Let's give you a zoom in here on the, there we go. So they're very, very thin bristles. I don't know if it's going to zoom in for us here. I think the black is making it harder. There we go. We can kind of see that. But that's quite good. For 20 bucks, guys, honestly, don't expect a lot, and you're going to be very happy. I mean, microfiber cloth, this longer wheel brush, I've seen these just going for $30 and things like that, which, as long as it's not doing harm to my car, that's really the biggest important thing to me. But yeah, I mean, I will say it's a go. I would rebuy that again. Now I'll do an update in future after using this and see if that's actually still the case. But just want to do an unboxing. Have a good day, guys. Bye.